There are two things standing between you and a closed deal. A website that makes prospects say, I need this, and the right words to sell it. And most people have neither. They're hand-building websites for hours and then winging it on the sales calls. By the end of this video, you'll solve both sides at once. A master prompt that fully generates an amazing AI-powered website and a sales script and AI outbound voice agent that closes them. The prompt builds the website, the script closes the deal. Together, they are your full system. Let me show you. So we're just gonna jump right in. I'm not gonna waste your time. This will be one of the best videos I've ever made on this because we're going through everything. So I'm gonna be showing you the exact prompt we're gonna be using. I'm gonna give you for free that builds out these websites, ones that look like this, very powerful for local businesses. The second thing I'm gonna do, this is gonna be even cooler, is I'm gonna show you the exact little sneaky trick I use on ChatGPT to generate qualified leads. Yes, I've never showed this before, but I'm going to show you in this video. It's free, don't worry. And it's going to show you how to find the right leads. But most importantly, I'm going to show you how to use this sales script if you want to by yourself, or even better, use this exact AI agent, the objection handler that has this caked in to actually sell the local businesses for you. Now, that's not a guarantee. You actually have to get the leads and yada, yada, yada. This is built to do the selling for you if you suck at sales or you're just too lazy. Either way, I'm going through all of this in this video, and I have a really special free bonus I'm going to be giving you that will blow you away, so stick around. But I'm telling you guys right now, this is the future. And this video, I go so in depth on it. At any point during this video, if y'all have any questions, drop them in the comments down below, and I will answer personally because I want this to be an interactive learning experience. Let us dig right in. All right, so step number one is how do we actually build these websites out? So this is going to be the first step. We're going to come and we're just going to pick some random business. I'm not trying to pick on anybody. I am just doing this to find. This is a perfect example. Okay, so first things first, I'm just going to show you how this whole process works. Then we're going to go into selling it and pricing it, and then like the actual like AI sales component. Don't worry, we're just jumping right in. We're going to cover all of this. So first things first, we're going to plug this into a vibe coder. I'll show you how to get this vibe coder for free in a sec, but first things first, I want to prove to you that this works. So first, we take this entire prompt right here, we paste it in the vibe coder, and we just switch out a couple things. So homepage URL, we're just going to copy this right here. Okay, we're going to paste this in. I'm telling you guys, the sales stuff I'm about to show is going to blow you away because I've never showed it on my videos before because I just figured it out. Okay, about URL, we're going to come right back here. We're going to go to about. Take this exact URL, just like I do. You pick exact website on Google, type in the exact location you want. It can be any niche. Like right now, I'm literally just doing plumbers, but you can do HVAC, electrician, lawyer, you name it, you can do it. So we're going to put the about page, services. Let us do, this one's got a lot of services. So we're just going to do plumbing because, well, that's what matters. All right, we're going to come back here. I'm going to do plumbing, boom, boom, boom. Paste, just like this, guys. You're just pasting the descriptions. I mean, this doesn't get any easier than this. Contact, same thing right here. I can't wait to show you guys the sales thing. You guys are actually going to be blown away by this because it's so sneaky. Okay, we're going to paste. And we don't really need the testimonials because I do not see them on here, but doesn't matter. Okay, now that we have this already, we're just going to click enter. And in seconds, this vibe coder is going to recreate this exact prospect's website, okay, to something absolutely amazing. Check this out in seconds. Whoa, look how incredible this is. Look at this. Look at how much cleaner this is with the pages dialed in, pictures, the whole 9 yards. Look at this. So we compare this to this. In seconds, it spit it out. I mean, even give it a better logo, and we can keep adding on to this. We can connect to CRM. We can say, hey, I do this, do that. It's very simple. This vibe coder is absolutely amazing. Again, I'm going to show you what it is in a sec, but you see how easy that was? Like a complete beginner can type that in. That's all I typed in, and it rebuilt the entire thing as opposed to doing something like this. So this is the first step, is understanding what you're offering, okay, which is very simply an animated luxury website built to convert. That's it. And this helps businesses get more leads, et cetera, smart forms, AI integration. Like that's what it's meant for. So that is step number one. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments down below. Step number one, being able to redesign any business's website in any niche using this prompt, which I'm giving you for free. That's step number one. Step number two, okay, is reaching out to the local businesses and then properly getting a hold of them to show them their new website. Okay, and then from there, we're going to go into the whole sales side of things. But before we even do that, we have to first go into properly getting a hold of them. So first thing to note is, what is the price point, okay? Because you're probably like, this is great, Declan, but how do I make money with this? Well, let's first go into the price point, and then let me show you this amazing ChatGPT hack to get qualified leads. So let's jump in. So for these luxury redesigns and these AI websites, I recommend you charge an upfront cost of about $1,500 to set up, and then all the way up to $297 per month for the AI integration, because if you can't collect recurring money, you can't grow. Now, this is really important because I want to let you know this. If you are a complete beginner, you can absolutely give away the Vibe site for free because it's easy to do, as you saw. It's not hard. So if that's you, give it away for free and then just collect the recurring. So it's kind of like dependent on how you want to do this, but I always recommend, if you're scared as a beginner, always do that. So many people come in this industry and they just want to charge, and they don't even know how to do what they're doing. So it's like, hold your horses. Let's just do it for free at first. And then you can always make the recurring money. Also, practice is very valuable. So that's a really important thing. But that's the first thing to know, is what kind of prices are we charging for this exact thing? Okay, so now that you understand what to price it and you understand how to build it, we now move on to the next part, which is, well, how do we get a hold of local businesses and how do we find the right local businesses to sell to? All right, so to reach out to local businesses, we're going to do it a couple different ways, but I'm going to show you a really important thing, which is how to find the right leads. And this is the cool little trick I'm going to show you. But the vast majority of you guys are struggling for two reasons to sell local businesses on AI features or websites. And I'll tell you exactly what they are because I talk to so many people and I know at this point. Number one, you're not prospecting enough. So you're not reaching out in the right ways, which I'm going to show you how to do. But number two, you're reaching out to the wrong people. Like, guys, this is very, very powerful knowledge. You have to understand this. So many people I see, they will go to someone that already has a good website, that already has AI integration, and they'll try to sell this. Like, how are you going to sell a dinner to someone that just ate? They're full. They're like, I'm so stuffed. And you're like, well, we got another, cheeseburger and fries. They're not going to want it. Okay. Like, they have to need the thing in order you to buy it. So these are the two steps that you have to understand, because if you don't, no one's going to buy. Like, I go over this all the time, but in this little section I'm about to show you, I want to show you not only how to reach out, but how to find the right local businesses that need it. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into Google Maps, okay, put in the exact niche, so plumber, HVAC, electrician, it's industry, and then the exact location. From there, you're going to come right in here, and you're just going to go all the way down and get as many of these as you want. We're not scraping. We're not doing that. Don't worry. This is compliant because we're not going to be blasting people in a bunch. We're not doing that. We're just finding the right leads. So then what we're going to do is we're going to say, please find the businesses that have websites that are struggling with SEO and have no AI integrations. Then you're going to paste. By the way, you can use Grok, Gemini, Bard, whatever you want to use, Claude to do this. I'm just using ChatGPT. Then we're going to click enter. And again, all we did was copy and paste into one of these LLMs. And now we want to see exactly what it says. Boom. It says, I wouldn't spend time pitching the big brand. See, it already knows, okay, who's winning. See how smart this is? But then what it's going to do is it's going to go through best prospects, and it's going to go through all these websites, and it's going to tell you which ones are yours for the taking. This is why this is so important. Again, this is not a guarantee that you're going to land this, but it's going to show you who's struggling. That way you don't have to go through step by step looking at the website. Oh, what's this? What's this? Waste of time. AI, we use the heavy lifting and we find it. Now, again, we don't want to just start spamming people. That's not what I'm saying, but we want to go through and want to find who's struggling, because what a lot of you guys do is you hit up these guys. I cannot tell you, I've coached thousands of people, and I see this all the damn time. People come in, they're like, well, the lead, they didn't buy or they weren't interested. And I'm like, And I look into it, and they're going after someone that is maxed out on all marketing stats. And I'm like, that's not the right lead. Again, they have to need the services. So with this little trick I'm showing you, you can do with any keyword, any niche, it's going to show you exactly how to find the right leads. From there, you have your right leads. You now want to reach out to them. We're now going to move into this step by step so you understand. Once you have this, okay, you now go, okay, I have this prompt. I know exactly how to redo their websites. We now need to reach out. Come in here. We've grabbed our leads. You now want to go to these people's websites. But from there, we now want to reach out in as many ways as possible. This is key. This is the other problem I talked about, okay? You message the wrong people, but then you don't message the right people enough. You need to hit them with multiple channels. Don't just send an email and expect a response, okay? These people have lives. They are busy. Send an email, send a text. If it's, compliant, don't be messing up anything there. Cold call them, walk in, send them a piece of mail, DM them on social media, fax them if you have to. Like, hit them in as many different ways and as many different channels as possible. This is critical. If you guys want to sell businesses, you have to get a hold of them. And the vast majority of local businesses are legit too busy and they just don't see your message. A lot of it's not that they're not interested. They just don't see your message. So you have to reach out to them in as many ways as possible. You can drop them a voicemail, you name it. If you want other ways to do it, I'll just help you out with that. That is the most important part. Please, guys, I'm giving you all of this for free. Please do this. None of this will work unless you take action. This is really important. So from there, once you get them, you understand exactly what to do. You have all your good leads and you've reached out to them with this exact sort of pitch, which is, hey, I can rebuild your website for free, which is what you're going to do. You're going to rebuild it, send it to them. From there, once they're like, oh, this is cool, we now need to move on to the part which is really important, which is using the AI chatbot to sell them. Either we can do it manually via the sales script if you're good at sales, or bad, we use this one. So before I move on to this final part, I want to let you know, if you are interested, okay, in getting access to these free prompts, these free websites, sales scripts, this AI agent, all of this stuff are free. The software I use to do all of this is called Go High Level. So we come right back here. We come right out. It's called Go High Level. Okay. But don't worry. This isn't a big sales pitch. I'm not trying to sell you anything. Okay. Because I have a 30-day free trial, not a 14-day. I talked to the team and I got you an exclusive 30-day free trial. So you can try this. And if you hate it after 30 days, you can cancel. That is how sure I am. And as you see here, when you sign up, I give you access to a bunch of free bonuses, okay, to help you actually use the software. Because High Level pays me to do this. Okay, they pay me to help you use the software. So it is in my best interest to help you win. You do not pay me anything. High Level pays me. But I have to make you win in order for you to use the software. That's why I give away all of this stuff for free, as you see right here, and you get 30 days free. And as you see here, just to show you that this is the truth, this is my community, okay? These are all the trainings you get. You get literally tons of different systems pre-built out. You even get live coaching calls. Okay, one's with me. As you see on the screen, I'm talking to people on Zoom. It's absolutely amazing. And a ton of other calls, literally helping you with clients, helping you with sales, literally everything you could possibly need on this journey. It's all free. There's not some upsell. And you can message me whenever you want in the right-hand corner. No one does this like I do it. I give away all this free because I am incentivized to. Again, try it for 30 days. And if you don't like it, you can leave. Zero risk. If you hate it and you're like, Declan, you're an idiot, that's fine. That's your opinion. You may leave. That is how open I am with this. Try to find this somewhere else. Everyone's going to say, oh, $5,000, pay me 10 grand, or it's some weird sort of scheme they're running. Not me. Now, yes, this does take hard work. There is no such thing as a get-rich-quick scheme. I will be the first to tell you that. But if you have the right framework and you have the right people holding you, magical things can happen. And this is not a guarantee, but look at this. We have a ton of people winning in this group. I'm not promising you're going to get to 50K. I'm not promising you're going to land a bunch of clients this fast or 30K a month. I'm not promising any of this, but I'm showing you what is possible. We even give away free leads and we do these like community challenges, but like we have tons of winners. I mean, you can come in here and you see we have wins for days. It just never ends. But again, guys, I'm being completely honest with you. This does take hard work, but the best part is it's free and it's zero risk. And again, I'll never make you pay for the community if you're using High Level under me. So if this interests you or you already have High Level and you want to upgrade, the link is right down below. Get your 30 days, get started. And if you get in the community and you really hate it, you can always message me. We can talk about it. But if you just don't like it, cancel. No sweat off your back. Do not worry. Okay, now that you understand this and you understand exactly how this exact prompt works and how to reach out to local businesses using ChatGPT, the exact pricing, and the whole 9 yards, we move on to the last part, which is properly selling them. So you have two different options. Number one, if you are good at sales, use this script that's in the community. You go through, you follow it step by step. I mean, it literally is color-coded, you, them. Very easy. And that is to properly sell this exact website. So that's step number one. If you are good at sales, use that because it'll be easier. If you are bad at sales, I recommend you use the objection handler, okay? It's amazing. It's an AI agent I created. It can call them or answer their call, and it's going to go through and it's going to basically ask them a bunch of questions and get them warmed up or sell them on the spot, whatever you want. Actually, in a matter of fact, I'm going to test this right now because seeing is believing and anyone can yap, but I'm actually going to test this so you can see. And a quick pro tip, AI keeps getting better. These calls keep getting more realistic. This thing's sales ability keeps going up. So without further ado, let me put in my phone number and let us get started.
Hey, glad you picked up. What is on your mind?
Hey, how you doing? I really liked the website you showed me. I like the AI integration. I'm just not sure it can help my business. So if you could, please talk to me about this.
I appreciate you saying that, and I totally get where you're coming from. When you say you're not sure it can help your business, are you more thinking about whether it would actually work for your type of business, whether the cost makes sense, or whether your team and customers would be on board with it? Or is it something else entirely?
Yeah, it's just kind of like two things. Okay, first off, it's the price point. Second, I just don't know if this would actually help my plumbing business.
That's completely fair. On the price, compared to hiring even a part-time receptionist, $297 a month is a fraction of the cost, and it covers every hour, day and night. For your plumbing business, The biggest wins are usually catching those after hours calls and making sure no one hits voicemail when you're out on a job. Most plumbers lose a lot of leads just because they can't answer every call. Honestly, the best way to see if this would actually move the needle for your business is a quick 15-minute call with the team. They'll look at your specific setup and give you a straight answer. No pressure. Would you be open to grabbing a time this week?
Yes, before I do that though, I have one last question. How is this going to help me get more business? Because that's like the point I'm trying to figure out. Will this help me get more business? Explain that to me right now.
Absolutely. And that's the right question. Here's how it helps you get more business. Most plumbing companies miss out on jobs because calls go to voicemail or come in after hours when nobody's available. People rarely leave a message. They just call the next plumber. With Nexa Voice, every call gets answered right away, day or night. The agent can qualify the lead, book them directly into your calendar, and make sure you never miss an opportunity. That means more jobs actually land with you instead of slipping away. Honestly, this is exactly what the discovery call is for. The team can walk you through.
Hey, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. I appreciate it. Yeah, I'll book a call later with you, okay? Boom. So we could keep going as you see, but I have to kind of go through this. But that was amazing. Do you see how powerful that was? It legit went through, okay? And it actually qualified me, sold me, did all that stuff. Now, it didn't collect payment and go through that because the way I have it set up right now is just to book a call for the other person to hop on and talk to them. But as you saw there, it went through and it chatted with me and walked me through objections. That was actually pretty good objection handling. I'm not going to lie. I was throwing at real things and it was breaking down with math and real stuff that this works. It also, as you saw, sounded really human-like. And we can make it even sound more human-like, but it keeps getting better day by day. So as you guys are seeing, these agents are legit. This whole thing, the sales scripts, all of this is amazing. Guys, if you have any questions, drop them in the comment down below. But that's the process. Okay, so regardless of whether you join my free community and you get access to all these amazing bonuses and, you know, hopefully become a winner and blah, blah, blah. If you don't even want to do that and you're still interested in AI and you're just like, hey, I'm going to just use ChatGPT or however you're doing it, I still recommend you follow what I teach. Again, I genuinely want you to win. So regardless of what happens after today, go out and start prospecting like I showed you. Like I really want to see you win regardless. Again, I know I'm giving away all this free stuff and it's risk-free, no-brainer. But even if you don't like that or you're already, you know, doing something else, still do this. This strategy still works. Okay, I'm not a gatekeeper. I want you to win. Use ChatGPT, find the right leads, reach out to them in as many ways as possible. Okay, use really powerful vibe coders like this. Help them with AI. Like again, guys, I want to see you win in the AI age. This is the greatest opportunity I have ever lived through. Okay, and a lot of other people that are much older than me say the same thing. AI is the greatest opportunity they've ever lived through. And with these tools, okay, with these sales scripts, with these AI agents, with everything that I am giving you, with powerful softwares like this, it can be possible. So again, guys, thank you for watching. I really hope this kind of stuff makes sense to you. If you have any comments, drop them down below. If you're interested, okay, in the community, go right down below. But what I want to do now is I want to link a video that's going to talk to you more about my community. It's going to show testimonials. It's going to actually show you, not just me talking, what is in here. And I think that is really going to help you. And that's going to pop up here in a sec. So again, from the bottom of my heart, thank you for watching. Again, please take action. It's all that matters. But most importantly, watch the video that pops up right now.